Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't stall later. Check your Go high-level account, ensure SMS and email sending are active, and link SMTP. Once done, pick or create a pipeline and a product that the funnel will promote. Next, build a simple landing page and embed a conversion form. That form collects the contact fields you intend to use in automations. Make sure tags and custom fields match your campaign logic before moving to workflow construction. Now you assemble the middle. Design the landing page with a single, obvious CTA and test on mobile so conversion friction is low. Then configure the form, required fields, validation, and automated tagging that drives segmentation. This is why field names matter. After that, build the workflow. Start with a form submission trigger, add short delays, and use conditional splits for behavior paths. Include email, SMS, and task actions. Test each branch to confirm the right messages fire to the right segment. Finish by launching and running full end-to-end tests. Submit the form as a user, confirm tag application, and verify email and SMS arrive within expected windows. Once live, monitor conversion rate, open and click percentages, and unsubscribe or bounce behavior to spot problems. If something breaks, first inspect tag assignments and workflow conditional logic, then review sending domains, SBF/DKIM, and SMS credits. These are the usual culprits. Make one fix at a time and retest to isolate the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.